How to make transfers in FPL without penalty. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can make transfers in FPL. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up the FPL application, and once you're here, make sure that you're signed in. Once you're on this interface, navigate to the bottom. There is a menu bar. On that menu bar, there's a fantasy option, so tap on fantasy. So once you land on Fantasy tab, at the top just below Peak Team option, there is an option as Transfers, so head over to Transfers. After that, you have to tap on the player that you want to remove. Then you have to select the Choose Replacement option. At the bottom right, there is an option as Select Replacement. Tap on it, and when you're done, tap on Make Transfer, then Confirm. So that's it. That's how you can make transfers in FPL. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.